And welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a look at Phoenix Airport here, National, and just the regular Emerald Isle. Sorry about that, just walking around somebody here. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And again, we're in just the regular Emerald Isle here. And there are a ton of cars here. I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to cover all of the regular Emerald Isle. Just because there's so many rows here, but let's at least do a couple of the rows. And yeah, there's one of those Nissan Frontier pickup trucks. Oh boy, it's like another 5 or 6 rows down here. Anyway, let's just let me see if I can maybe walk a little bit faster. A bunch of Silverados, Dodge Ram, Jeep Compass somebody's taken, a Nissan pickup truck, Chevy, maybe a Colorado, smaller, Corolla. Nissan Altima, that almost looks like a Maxima. And just past another, yeah, there's a bunch of Corollas here. So I'm going to speed things up. There's a couple more Corollas down there. And a couple more Altimas here. And Jeep Compass down there. Cadillac Xt5 just rolled into Premier Selection. Couple more Altimas, Corollas. Again, this is the regular Emerald Isle here. Compact Honda SUV. So it looks like, yeah, they put all the compact pickup trucks in the regular Emerald Isle. We've got a Camry over here. Honda. Lots of these Altimas. Corollas. Camry. And Jeep Compass. Another Altima down there. Okay, Corolla. Okay, we got a Honda. Is that the Honda Ridgeline? Black, okay, we gotta take a peek at this. Black edition. Ooh, this is all blacked out. Yeah, this is worth a quick, let's do a little detour. Honda all-wheel drive Ridgeline. Take a quick peek inside. I don't see these very often. And ooh, it's even got a sunroof. Yeah, the mileage didn't come up. Quick peek in the back seat. There you go. All right, let's keep going here. Make sure I don't get lost. Almost, there's so many cars here, I almost need a map to find your way around. Maybe I'll get my GPS out later. Okay, Nissan Titan, Tacoma. Actually, we're not doing too bad. I think there's just one more aisle over there. Mitsubishi plug-in hybrid. I got a RAV4, not sure why that door's open. Another Malibu. A couple Frontier pickups. Oh no, this is the, and then the Toyota Tacoma. Dodge Ram, a couple Corollas. And then it gets into the executive aisle, which we looked at, so let's pop over here. There's a Jeep Compass. And, okay, actually not as bad as I thought. Okay, got a Nissan, got a Jeep, got a Tacoma, Mitsubishi, all right, another plug-in Mitsubishi hybrid. Okay, I think we'll wrap things up soon here. Hang in there, guys. And okay, we got a Kia at the end. I think those are returns over there. I'm not sure what that is. And just wrap things up in the regular Emerald Isle. We got a Nissan pickup truck, got a compact Buick SUV, and a smaller Kia. Okay, thanks everyone for watching, tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this is Phoenix Airport, National Car Rental.